All right, here we are with a vintage LED lantern 1-pack. Now this is what the box looks like. Looks like it's weatherproof. Got some -30 Celsius USB green leaf. There's kind of a picture of what it looks like. On the side, just a sticker, LED vintage lantern 1-pack. Nothing on the bottom. And a picture on top. So let's take this and open it up. See what we got here. Retro lamp. Oh wow, okay. And that's it for the box. So let's take a look at the manual real quick. Rechargeable camping lamp. So charging indicator, rotary switch, hanging hook, USB output, USB input. Oh wow, so it can do both, okay. And here's some little spec information. And here, oh, there's our included little USB-C charging cable. And then this is made out of some very, very nice metal. Feels great. And then you can see there's 3 pretty bright LEDs in there. Got a little retro lamp logo there. So we're gonna have to charge this one up, of course. And then inside of this little port is a USB-C port. For input, so that means that's what charges this battery up. And then there's USB output. So the big USB port there, the USB-A port, you're actually able to use it to charge another device. So if you had this fully charged, you're out camping and then your phone starts dying, plug your charging phone cable into here and boom, you're gonna be charging. I like the hanging hook too. And there's the charging indicator, which is, I think that's pretty nice. So we're gonna have to get this one charged up. It has no charge, and might as well use their cable.
You crank it on, you see your battery life. It's just these 3.
And this is when you barely cut it on.
Yeah.
And then if you turn it a little more.
Oop, wrong way. Turn it a little more, then you get the overlight.
It switches to the top LEDs there.
And then you turn it more, and everything's on.
And that's the super bright mode.
Yep.
So let's go see how this looks outside. All right, so again, sorry for the crickets and the fireworks, but it's 4th of July. So that is the little turn on, just the simple one. And if I was to set it on the ground, that's, it puts off a good amount of brightness. Now if we turn it a little more, that is the more pure white. That seems a lot brighter than the first one. And then if you turn it all the way, you'll see it get brighter. Yeah, and that is maximum brightness. Look at how it's shooting out across the yard, but very, very bright. You can see your charging indicator there, and this would truly be perfect for camping. If you had one of these camping, I don't know exactly how long it would last, but if you walk through the woods with this, you would definitely be seen. Yeah, and so you can see, hopefully you can see that that's a good bit of light, I promise you. It's well worth it if you're a camping person and want something rechargeable and bright. This is definitely your best bet. And don't forget, you can also use the port right there on your retro lamp to charge your phone. There we go. That'll do it for the retro lamp. Absolutely love it. 2 thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.